No shoes. Okay. My hair right now is like still hot. So nail time, yay!
Enjoy.
Okay, so this is our door, and then whenever you walk in, they have the bathroom. Really pretty. Toilet, shower, whatever not. And then we have the mirror, and then we have, okay, and then we have an area for the clothes, and have a big bed, and this. And then in here we have our little mini fridge and a microwave. Our little desk area. I really like this chair. It's cute. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to K&K, or welcome if you're new. We are in Pigeon for the weekend for our 1 year anniversary. I got my nails done earlier and got my feet done. But yeah, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along. This is my first weekend off in forever, so I'm super excited about this. And yeah, I'm gonna change and get ready, and we're gonna go to the island, and then we're gonna go to the island. We're gonna eat and do a bunch of fun stuff, and you guys are gonna come along with us. We're gonna head to the hotel. We're gonna head to the
Somewhere to eat. I'm hungry.
yeah. We're gonna go somewhere to eat. We're gonna go to the island. Ooh.
I think there's islands that you can see. Not me.
Oh my gosh, shut up. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are headed to do the sky lift right now. I'm excited, so I'm gonna go. So pretty. Hey guys. So it's freezing cold. My nose
It's not that cold. She's just a wimp.
My nose is like frozen. But we got some really cute photos, and I don't know really where we're at, but it's really pretty.
Close to the A.
Yeah, we got a really good deal on it. But oh, look at that cute little tree. Look how pretty lit up. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. much fun. So cute. 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 Be cute. Alright, we're getting off. Okay. We're riding the Ferris wheel now. It's like the indoor Ferris wheel type thing. So pretty on the outside. I've rode it before, but not at nighttime. It's always during the day. I'll give you guys a view of this handsome man.
When it's our hotel.
Okay guys, it's a little later. We're now at Mel's Diner. We're gonna go and eat some dessert. Ooh, look at this handsome man.